in Building 1293, the flat floor offers a unique testing environment for zero-gravity autonomous systems. These deployable systems will enable automated space operations such as construction. Talisman is a lightweight space crane that can be folded up for launch and deployed in orbit, where it will act as a tool to assemble and repair satellites, spacecraft, and platforms. Because it isn't designed for Earth's gravity, testing the arm becomes challenging. The flat floor in Building 1293 is kind of like an air hockey table. Engineers attach air-bearing pucks to support the crane and enable it to float across the floor, simulating the zero-gravity environment in 2 dimensions, providing a realistic representation of how it would move in space. By using the unique capability that the flat floor provides, engineers can detect issues and fix them, ensuring a successful mission.